I decided to make this cool clock I found in my house in Blender 3D. Let me show you how. The clock is made out of simple shapes with a bit of detail. That's why I decided to block out the clock with the pre-made meshes, such as the flattened cube for the main body, a squash cylinder for the actual clock part, and some more cubes and cylinders for the supporting frame of the clock. I add higher details by beveling certain features and trying to make it look more like the real-life counterpart. I add the numbers to the clock, and as I was doing it, I realized that the actual clock has I instead of IV, which is weird, but apparently it's not that uncommon. Anyway, I do all of the text around the clock, and that was it for the modeling, so I move on to the shading. A simple black color for the text and the clock hands, then a pale cream color for the clock face. The gold material was simple to make, noise texture, color ramp, along with some bump, decreasing the roughness just enough so that it looks metal, but slightly cheap metal. The actual body of the clock was the most difficult part, as it's supposed to be some type of marble material. However, I found a great tutorial from Ryan King on how to make this exact type of shader, so I copied most of what he did with my own few adjustments, and there we have it. I mess around with the composition for the scene, but eventually I end up with the floating object in space like for most of my renders. After that, I hit render, a few compositing things, and there we go. The clock is replicated. Thank you for watching. Follow my channel for more if you like this style of content.